Hi everyone, welcome back to Punchai. Are you struggling with dandruff, scalp itching, or even head lice? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to make a simple but powerful Ayurvedic hair pack that works naturally. So let's quick look at why our hair itches so much. It can be due to dandruff and fungal infections. Sometimes so much oil buildup or lice, especially common in children. Even a dry scalp or harsh shampoos can trigger itching. Whatever the reason, the solution I'm going to show you today works beautifully. For this pack, we just need 5 ingredients. Neem, the best for dandruff and head lice. Fresh amla pulp, rich in vitamin C and nourishes hair from the root. Star anise powder, it even repels lice naturally. Apple cider vinegar, to balance scalp pH and help to remove flakes. And finally, rose water, to cool, refresh, and calm the scalp irritation. Now let's prepare it. Take 2 tablespoons of neem powder. Then blend 2 tablespoons of fresh amla pulp and add it in. Add 1 teaspoon of star anise powder. Pour 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And finally, add rose water, just enough to make a creamy, smooth paste. Apply this pack directly to your scalp. Make sure you cover the roots. Leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes. Rose water will keep your head cool and refreshed, while the herbs do their magic. Then wash it off with a lukewarm water and with a mild herbal shampoo. Use this pack once a week and you will notice less flakes and dandruff. Relief from itching, lice and their eggs disappearing naturally. Stronger hair roots. A fresh, healthy scalp with soft, shiny hair. So if dandruff or head lice are bothering you, try this Ayurvedic hair pack. With neem, amla, star anise, rose water, and apple cider vinegar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. See you next time in another natural remedy.